Hi friends, Mrs. Avanzato here. I'm going to show you how you can access some ebooks that will be available to you this summer to do some summer reading with. Mrs. Martin may have showed you these ebooks before, but I definitely want to do a review and to remind you how you can access them. So in your choice board, you need to click Mac and Via. I kind of remember it as it sounds like Mac and Gia or mac and cheese. So click on that. And you do need to log in. So your username is your 6-digit PIN. Just the 6 digits. No G00. Just the 6 numbers. Your password is also the 6 numbers. No G00. Just the 6 numbers. So you would type in your 6 numbers for the username and the password. Mine looks a little bit different, but you will be typing in the 6 digits. So here we go. There's some things I want to show you. You can look for ebooks and audiobooks. Ebooks are books that show up on the screen and you read the words on your screen. Audiobooks are only books that you can listen to. So you don't actually see the words, you just listen to the read aloud. I'm going to start with ebooks. I like to look for books that are available. So some of the books are checked out. That's good. That means people are reading them. But that means we can't read them because they're checked out. So I like to go to all resources. Well, I guess I need to click the little arrow. Oh, no, I'm already there. I just need to scroll down. And I like to choose books that are available only. So I'm going to click the word available. And now it's going to show me all books that I can open and start reading. So you can scroll through and there are pages and pages of books. You can load more. Looked like there were 1,500 plus books that I can read. When you find something you're interested in reading, you can go ahead and click open now. And the book will open up on your screen. And you read the book just like a regular book. There are some tools that you can explore. There's bookmarks. Up here are post-it notes. You can change the way the screen looks. You can change the contrast. You can make the font bigger or smaller. I encourage you to play around with some of these tools today. So you start reading the book. And if this is something that you think you want to continue reading, you would probably want to check the book out. So I am going to close this one, and I do want to check it out. So I'm going to click check out. Now I have a copy of that book checked out. The book will be returned in 2 weeks or 14 days. You don't have to actually return the book. It will just disappear from your account in 14 days. So let's pretend that you checked that book out here at school, and then you went home and logged back onto Mac and Via, and you want to look for the book that you have checked out. You're going to look in your book bag, I think that's quite clever, and go to your checkouts. Then there's my book that I started reading. I can click open now, and it will bring me to the book right where I left off. No bookmark even needed, and then you can keep reading. So maybe you really enjoyed that book and you actually finished it in just a couple of days before your book was due to be returned. If you have finished the book and you're no longer going to read it, please return it so someone else can read it. So I'm going to go ahead and return this book. All right, now I'm going to go home, show you something else. Some of the books will have this red symbol on them. That means there are no copies of that book available. That means all of the copies of that book is checked out by someone else. If that's something you think you want to read, you can go ahead and place a hold. So if you hover over the book, you can press request. When that book becomes available, it will then show up in your book bag. you can go back into your book bag and see which books you have requested. And maybe if you've changed your mind and you no longer want to read this book, you can cancel the request. And now I don't have any requests left. I can go to home and I can look for something else to read. So these are new and popular ebooks. This is being updated all the time. So if you don't find something that you want to read today, you might be able to find something that you do want to read another day. The audiobooks work the same way, in that if they're available, they have the little symbol of the black and white headphones. See if I see, there's one that's not available. Works the same way. So when you open an audiobook, you click Listen Now, and you don't see the words. You would just listen to the story.
Scholastic Audio presents 11 Birthdays, written by Wendy Mills.
So it's a read aloud. Audiobooks are becoming really popular. People enjoy listening to them. You can download them and listen to them in the car, or just listen to them while you're relaxing at home. All different sorts of things, different scenarios that you can use ebooks for. So that's Mac and Via. I encourage you to spend some time looking around. If you want to check books out today, you can check out some of the ebooks or audiobooks on Mac and Via. If for some reason your 6-digit PIN is not working, please let the teacher know, and he or she will write your name down and let me know that I need to look into your account. If you're not able to log on to Mac and Via today, you can just spend some time looking at the choice board, which will be in video 2 right here. You will watch that next. All right, so have fun reading, friends.